Hello friends, welcome to Pass Karo Test. Let's begin our video with 200 synonyms. Abundant, plentiful, existing or available in large quantities, प्रचुर मात्रा में उपलब्ध. Accurate, correct, free from error, especially as the result of care. सही, त्रुटि रहित. Achieve, attain, succeed in reaching a goal, aim or objective, प्राप्त करना, हासिल करना. Active, energetic, characterized by energetic activity, सक्रिय, ऊर्जावान. Admire, respect, regard with warmth and approval, प्रशंसा करना, सम्मान करना. Admit, confess, acknowledge or own to a fault or crime, स्वीकार करना, कबूल करना. Adversity, difficulty, a state of misfortune or hardship, विपत्ति, कठिनाई. Affection, fondness, a gentle feeling of love or warmth, स्नेह, प्यार. Afraid, scared, feeling fear or apprehension, डरा हुआ, भयभीत. Agree, concur, be of the same opinion, consent, सहमत होना, राजी होना. Aid, help, assistance or support given to someone in need, सहायता, मदद. Aim, goal, a purpose or intention, a desired outcome, लक्ष्य, उद्देश्य. Alert, watchful, quick to notice any unusual and potentially dangerous situation, सतर्क, सावधान. All, entire, the whole of, सब, पूरा. Allow, permit, give someone permission to do something, अनुमति देना, आज्ञा देना. Always, forever, for all time, eternally, हमेशा, सदैव. Amaze, astonish, surprise someone greatly, चकित करना, विस्मित करना. Angry, furious, feeling or showing strong annoyance, displeasure or hostility, क्रोधित, गुस्से में. Annoy, irritate, make someone slightly angry, provoke, चिढ़ाना, तंग करना. Answer, reply, a spoken or written response to a question, request or accusation. उत्तर, जवाब. Anxious, worried, experiencing worry, unease or nervousness, चिंतित, परेशान. Apparent, obvious, clearly visible or understood, evident. स्पष्ट, प्रत्यक्ष. Approach, near, come near or nearer to someone or something, पास आना, नजदीक आना. Argue, debate, give reason or cite evidence in support of an idea, action or theory, typically with the aim of persuading others to show one's view. बहस करना, तर्क करना. Arise, emerge, become apparent or known, उठना, प्रकट होना. Assist, support, help someone typically by doing a share of the work, सहायता करना, समर्थन करना. Astonishing, surprising, very surprising, amazing, आश्चर्यजनक, हैरान करने वाला. Attack, assault, a violent physical or verbal assault, हमला, आक्रमण. Attractive, appealing, pleasing or alluring to the senses or mind, आकर्षक, लुभावना. Awful, terrible, very bad or unpleasant, भयानक, बुरा. Awkward, clumsy, causing difficulty, hard to deal with, भद्दा, अनाड़ी. Bad, evil, morally wrong or weak, बुरा, दुष्ट. Beautiful, gorgeous, very attractive, dazzlingly beautiful. Sundar, bhavya. Begin, start. परफॉर्म द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्टिविटी और एक्शन, शुरू करना, आरंभ करना। बिलीफ, faith, complete trust or confidence in someone or something. Vishwas, Shraddha. Big, large, of considerable size, extent or intensity. Bada, Vishal. Blend, mix, combine or put together to form one substance or mass. मिलाना, मिश्रण करना. Bold, courageous, showing an ability to take risks, confident and fearless. Sahasi, निडर. Brave, fearless, showing courage. Bahadur, निडर. Brief, concise, giving a lot of information clearly and in a few words, short. Sankshipt, sargarbhit. Bright, radiant, emitting or reflecting much light, shining. Chamkila, ujwal. Calm, peaceful, not showing or feeling any agitation, shant, shantipurn. Careful, cautious, taking care to avoid danger or mistakes, savdhan, satark. Cease, stop, bring or come to an end, बंद करना, रुकना. Certain, sure, having no doubt, convinced, निश्चित, पक्का. Chance, opportunity, a set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. अवसर, मौका. Change, alter, make or become different, बदलना, परिवर्तन करना. Chat, converse, talk in a friendly and informal way, बातचीत करना, संवाद करना. Cheat, deceive, act dishonestly or unfairly in order to gain an advantage, धोखा देना या ठगना. Chief, main, the most important or influential person, मुख्य, प्रधान. Choose, select, pick out or choose someone or something from a number of alternatives. चुनना, चयन करना. Clean, pure, free from dirt, marks or stains, साफ, शुद्ध. Clever, intelligent, quick at learning and understanding things, chatur, buddhiman. Close, near, at or at a short distance, pass, nazdeek. Comfort, soothe, alleviate or lessen feelings of sorrow, discomfort or distress. आराम देना, शांत करना. Common, usual, occurring, found or done often, prevalent, सामान्य, आम. Complete, finish, bring something to an end, पूरा करना, समाप्त करना. Complicated, complex, consisting of many interconnecting parts or elements, intricate. जटिल, पेचीदा. Conceal, uh, hide, keep from sight, prevalent from being seen or discovered. छिपाना, गुप्त रखना. Confident, certain, feeling or showing confidence in oneself. आत्मविश्वासपूर्ण, निश्चित. Connect, join, bring together or into contact so that a real or notional link is established. जोड़ना, मिलाना. Consider, think. Think carefully about something, typically before making a decision. विचार करना, सोचना. Constant, continuous, occurring without interruption. लगातार, निरंतर. Create, generate, bring something into existence. बनाना, उत्पन्न करना. Cruel, harsh, willfully causing pain or suffering to others. क्रूर, कठोर. Curious, inquisitive, eager to know or learn something. जिज्ञासु, उत्सुक. Danger, hazard, a thing that may cause harm or injury. खतरा, जोखिम. Dark, gloomy, with little or no light. Andhera, udas. Decide, determine. Come to a resolution in one's mind as a result of consideration. निर्णय लेना, तय करना. Decrease, reduce. Make or become smaller or less. कम करना, घटना. Defend, protect. Resist an attack made on someone or something. Guard from danger. बचाव करना, रक्षा करना. Delight, joy. Great pleasure. आनंद, खुशी. Demand, require. Ask imperatively and leave no refusal. मांग करना, आवश्यकता होना. Destroy, ruin. Damage something so badly that it no longer exists or cannot be repaired. नष्ट करना, बर्बाद करना. Difficult, hard. Needing much effort or skill to accomplish, deal with or understand. कठिन, मुश्किल. Dislike, hate. Feel intense dislike for. नापसंद करना, घृणा करना. Display, show. Put something where it can easily be seen. दिखाना, प्रदर्शित करना. Distant, far. Situated far away in space or time. दूर, दूरस्थ. Divide, separate. Move or be moved apart. विभाजित करना, अलग करना. Dull, boring. Not interesting or exciting. नीरस, उबाऊ. Eager, keen. Having or showing a strong desire to do or have something. उत्सुक, आतुर. Easy, simple. Achieved without great effort, not difficult. आसान, सरल. Educate, teach. Give intellectual, moral and social instructions to someone. शिक्षित करना, पढ़ाना. Elegant, graceful. Pleasingly graceful and stylish in appearance or manner. सुरुचिपूर्ण, सुंदर. Embarrassed, ashamed. Feeling or showing embarrassment. शर्मिंदा, लज्जित. Encounter, meet. Unexpectedly experience or be faced with something difficult or hostile. सामना करना, मिलना. Encourage, inspire. Give confidence, moral support or enthusiasm to someone. प्रोत्साहित करना, प्रेरित करना. Enemy, fool. A person who is actively opposed or hostile to someone or something. शत्रु, दुश्मन. Enjoy, relish. Take great pleasure in something. आनंद लेना, स्वाद लेना. Enormous, huge. Extremely large. बहुत बड़ा, विशाल. Enough, sufficient. Educate for the purpose as much as necessary. पर्याप्त, काफी. Entire, whole. With no part left out, complete. पूरा, संपूर्ण. Escape, flee. Run away from a place or situation of danger. भागना, बचना. Essential, necessary. Absolutely necessary or important, vital. आवश्यक, जरूरी. Event, occasion. A thing that happens, especially one of importance. घटना, अवसर. Evil, wicked, morally bad or wrong. बुरा, दुष्ट. Examine, inspect. Look at something closely and carefully to identify its nature or condition. जांच करना, निरीक्षण करना. Example, instance. A thing characteristic of its kind or illustrating a general rule. उदाहरण, दृष्टांत. Excellent, superb. Extremely good, outstanding. उत्कृष्ट, शानदार. Explain, clarify. Make an idea, situation, or problem clear to someone by describing it in more detail or revealing relevant facts. समझाना, स्पष्ट करना. Famous, well known, known about widely and usually favorably. प्रसिद्ध, विख्यात. Fast, quick, moving or capable of moving at high speed. तेज, शीघ्र. Fat, overweight, having a great deal of excess flesh. मोटा, अधिक वजन वाला. Fear, terror, an unpleasant emotion caused by the belief that someone or something is dangerous, likely to cause pain or a threat. डर, आतंक. Feeble, weak, lacking physical strength, especially as a result of age or illness. कमजोर, दुर्बल. Fierce, savage, showing a ferocious intensity. Ugr, क्रूर. Fight, battle, a violent confrontation or struggle. लड़ाई, युद्ध. Final, last, coming at the end of a series. अंतिम, आखिरी. Find, discover, come across or find something unexpectedly. ढूंढना, खोजना. Firm, solid, having a solid, hard, or unyielding surface or structure. दृढ़, ठोस. Fix, repair, restore something damaged, broken, or worn to a good condition. ठीक करना, मरम्मत करना. Follow, pursue, go or come after a person or thing. पीछा करना, अनुसरण करना. Foolish, silly, acting or behaving in a way, in an absurd or nonsensical way. मूर्ख, बेवकूफ. Forbid, prohibit, order someone not to do something. मना करना, निषेध करना. Forgive, pardon. Stop feeling angry or resentful towards someone for an offense, flaw, or mistake. माफ करना, क्षमा करना. Fragile, delicate, easily broken or damaged. नाजुक, कमजोर. Frequent, regular, occurring or done at short intervals. बार बार होने वाला, नियमित. Friend, companion, a person whom one knows and with whom one has a bond of mutual affection. मित्र, साथी. Frighten, terrify, make someone very afraid. डराना, आतंकित करना. Funny, humorous, causing amusement or laughter. मजेदार, हास्यजनक. Gather, collect, bring or come together. इकट्ठा करना, जमा करना. Generous, liberal, showing a readiness to give more of something, as money or time, than is strictly necessary or expected. Udar, dani, gentle, mild, moderate in intensity or force or temper, not harsh or severe. Komal, soumya, glad, happy, feeling pleasure, delighted. Khush, prasann, great, wonderful, very good, excellent, mahan. Greedy, avaricious, having or showing an intense and selfish desire for wealth or possessions. Lalchi, lobhi. Grief, sorrow, intense sorrow, especially caused by someone's death. Dukh, shok. Guide, lead, show or direct someone how to reach a destination or follow a course. मार्गदर्शन करना, नेतृत्व करना. Guilty, culpable, responsible for a specified wrongdoing, deserving blame. दोषी, अपराधी. Habit, custom, a regular tendency or practice, especially one that is hard to give up. आदत या रिवाज. Happy, joyful, feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. खुश, आनंदित. harm, injury, physical hurt or damage, नुकसान, चोट, hate, detest, feeling intense dislike or loathing for, घृणा करना, नफरत करना, healthy, fit, in good physical or mental condition, in good health, स्वस्थ, तंदुरुस्त, heavy, weighty, having great weight, भारी, वजनदार, help, assist, give assistance to someone, मदद करना, सहायता करना, hide, conceal, keep from sight, prevent from being seen or discovered, छिपाना, गुप्त रखना, honest, sincere, free of deceit, truthful and genuine, ईमानदार, सच्चा, hope, expect, want something to happen or be the case, उम्मीद करना, आशा करना, horrible, dreadful, extremely unpleasant, causing terror, भयानक, डरावना, huge, immense, extremely large or extensive, बड़ा, बहुत बड़ा, विशाल, humble, modest, having or showing a modest or low estimate of one's own importance, विनम्र, साधारण, hurry, hasten, move or travel with great speed, be quick, जल्दी करना, शीघ्रता करना, hurt, injure, causing physical harm or damage to someone, चोट पहुंचाना, घायल करना, idea, thought, a formulated thought or opinion, विचार, राय, identical, same, exactly alike or similar, समान, एक जैसा, ignore, neglect, refuse to take notice of or acknowledge, अनदेखा करना, उपेक्षा करना, importance, significant, having great significance or value, महत्वपूर्ण, आवश्यक, increase, expand, become or make larger or more numerous, बढ़ाना, विस्तार करना, innocent, blameless, not guilty of a crime or offense, निर्दोष, बेकसूर, insult, offend, speak to or treat with disrespect or scornful abuse, अपमान करना, ठेस पहुंचाना, intelligent, clever, having or showing intelligence, especially of a high level, बुद्धिमान, चतुर, interesting, fascinating, arousing curiosity or interest, captivating, दिलचस्प, मनोरंजक, joy, delight, a feeling of great pleasure and happiness, आनंद, खुशी, judge, evaluate, form an opinion or conclusion about, आंकना, मूल्यांकन करना, keep, retain, continue to have something, not lose or give away, रखना, बनाए रखना, kind, compassionate, having or showing sympathy and concern for others, दयालु, सहानुभूतिपूर्ण, know, understand, be aware of through observation, inquiry or information, जानना, समझना, lack, shortage, the state of being without or not having enough of something, कमी या अभाव, last, final, coming after all others in time or order, अंतिम, आखिरी, lazy, idle, unwilling to work or use energy, आलसी, निष्क्रिय, learn, acquire, come to have or develop knowledge, skill or habit by study, experience or instruction, सीखना, प्राप्त करना, leave, depart, go away from a place, छोड़ना, रवाना होना, legal, lawful, permitted by law, not forbidden, कानूनी या वैध, light, bright, Having a great deal of illumination, हल्का चमकीला. Likely, probable, having a high probability of occurring or being true. संभावित, मुमकिन. Limit, restrict, put a limit on, keep under control. सीमित करना, प्रतिबंध लगाना. Little, small, not large in size, amount or degree. छोटा, कम. Lively, animated, full of life and energy, active and enthusiastic. जीवंत, उत्साहित. Lonely, solitary, having no companions, isolated. अकेला, एकाकी. Look, see, direct one's eyes towards someone or something so as to be able to observe. देखना, अवलोकन करना. Lose, misplace, be deprived of or cease to have or retain something. खोना, गुम करना. Love, affection, an intense feeling of deep affection. प्यार, स्नेह. Loyal, faithful, giving or showing firm and constant support or allegiance to a person or institution. वफादार, निष्ठावान. Lucky, fortunate, having good fortune. भाग्यशाली, खुशनसीब. Mad, angry, feeling or showing strong annoyance, displeasure or hostility. पागल, क्रोधित. Make, create, form something by putting parts together or combining substances. बनाना, निर्माण करना. Manage, control, be in charge of a business, organization or undertaking. Run, प्रबंध करना, नियंत्रण करना. Many, numerous, great in number, many, अनेक, बहुत सारे. Massive, enormous, extremely large or serious. विशाल, बहुत बड़ा. Mature, adult, fully developed physically, grown up. परिपक्व, वयस्क. Mean, cruel, unkind, spiteful or unfair. मतलबी, क्रूर. Mischievous, naughty, causing or showing a fondness for causing trouble in a playful way. शरारती, नटखट. Mistake, error, an act or judgment that is misguided or wrong. गलती, त्रुटि. Modern, contemporary, relating to the present time. आधुनिक, समकालीन. Move, shift, go in a specified direction or manner. हिलना, खिसकना. Necessary, essential, absolutely needed, required. आवश्यक, जरूरी. Neat, tidy, arranged in a methodical and pleasing way. साफ सुथरा, व्यवस्थित. New, fresh, recently made, produced or discovered. नया, ताजा. Notice, observe, become aware of something by seeing, hearing or feeling it. ध्यान देना, अवलोकन करना. Obey, comply, act in accordance with a wish or command. आज्ञा मानना, पालन करना. Old, ancient, having existed for a long time. पुराना, प्राचीन. Open, unclose, allow access to. खोलना, खुला. Order, command, an authoritative instruction or direction. आदेश, हुक्म. Ordinary, common, with no special or distinctive features. Normal, साधारण, सामान्य. Pain, ache, physical suffering or discomfort caused by illness or injury. दर्द, पीड़ा. Polite, courteous, having or showing behavior that is respectful and considerate of other people. विनम्र, शिष्ट. Possible, likely, able to be done or achieved. संभव, मुमकिन. Powerful, strong, having great power or force. शक्तिशाली, मजबूत. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे हमारे आज के 200 सिनोनिम्स। आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल रहेगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। पास करो टेस्ट।